Okay, folks, it's that 71 Chevy that I was talking about. I have it on eBay. It's got power steering, factory power steering, factory power brakes, 2-barrel. It's got just a hint of a valve lifter adjustment, a little bit of a flatter, but that'll adjust out. We got it on jack stands so people can see undercarriage pictures. We're going to shoot those as well, so a guy can get an idea. It just is ready for a new home. One little hickey right there, paint chip, not a rust hole. So I'm trying to show this as best as I can. It's a clean truck. There's a shot of the hood, just so a guy can see it, a prospective buyer can have an idea. Again, we'll take some more pictures. It's a clean little truck. Message me if you have any questions.